massive improvement on readability. I'm getting a little bit of fading there, but I'll tell you, it's crystal clear from just about any angle. Whereas it was unreadable before. Disregard my melting of the PVC on there, on the 16 pin ribbon cable. But yeah, I would say this is a very good test. Just got a 10K potentiometer, trim pot, whatever you want to call it, in line there on a little breadboard. We'll get all this buttoned up tomorrow, and the MFJ-461 will be a little bit more usable in the field, especially with in bright sun and at other angles. That's nice to be able to actually see what that says from these angles. Datasheet on these Chinesium 1602s was fairly hard to find. That was accurate. There's a lot of clones and stuff like that out there, and some pretty terrible data sheets. But yeah, I'm happy with it. Definitely a huge improvement over the original MFJ 1602F. This is what it looks like. My desoldering iron quit, so I'm using this super junky modified manual desoldering pump, and that's the cause of the horror show you see here. But anyway, I can live with it for now. But yeah, that's the original board, 1602F from MFJ. I don't know what the manufacturer date is on this one, but I know that this is an older unit, probably mid 90s, brought back to life with a new 1602 with a backlight.